Presenting CAM access for accessible bus travel. Meet our team. Now here's the problem. We have David and he's wondering where his bus is, how he'll stop the bus, and how he'll get onto the bus. Well, right now we have bus drivers who can do all of this for him. However, in the future, when we phase out bus drivers and we use autonomous buses, how will David be able to get onto the bus? How will he know when the bus will arrive, and how can he stop the bus? Well, here's our solution, CAM Access, allowing us to connect those in need to help us. Who is CAM Access for? Well, it's for individuals with accessibility needs, those with visual, hearing or mobility impairments, and volunteers willing to lend a helping hand. By showing nearby users who need your assistance, we can easily connect volunteers to those users that are in need. Now, in terms of features, we're using advanced navigation technology, allowing the user to input their origin and destination, and we can then map out the fastest route possible. As well as using cutting-edge pooling technology by utilizing the volunteers' geolocation to couple and match them with appropriate users nearby that have accessibility requirements. And we're open to integration with local bus services by connecting to autonomous bus APIs to deploy automated ramps in advance. In terms of accessibility features, there are variable font sizes, different themes, and text-to-speech, allowing us to accommodate for all users. Here's our settings page. We aim to put our users first. Here's a walkthrough of the sign-up. The user simply enters their name, email, and password, as well as disability evidence. This disability evidence is mandatory in allowing us to verify users and uphold our security standards. Now here's a walkthrough of a user making a reservation. They simply enter their origin and destination, and we can map out the fastest, most optimized route using the closest bus stops. As you can see, there is an autocomplete feature allowing for convenience and smoothness. Now when the user clicks find routes, it displays different bus routes as well as the metadata about the buses, including what time the bus will arrive, how many accessibility seats are available, how many volunteers are available, and if there are manual or automatic ramps. In terms of volunteering, here is a volunteers walkthrough. It displays the top 5 closest reservations made by those with accessibility needs, allowing us to couple volunteers to those with impairments. Here, metadata is given, such as the seats available, the volunteers available, how long they'll need to wait, as well as the walking distance to the bus and what sort of ramps the bus uses. In terms of technical challenges, you can find our stack on the right-hand side. But in terms of integrating our backend database on the front-end client, as well as hosting our own backend server, we struggled with this quite a bit. As well as this, we also have technical challenges in terms of device-independent deployment and scalability. But we've solved this using Dockerization. In terms of wrangling with real-time bus data, we've used data processing libraries like Pandas, and handling JWT tokens and persistent sessions in React Native was definitely a point of concern. In terms of scalability, when looking into the future, our advanced technology positions us to be the vanguard of the upcoming transit revolution. Our app is extendable and adaptable. By using a Dockerized backend deployment, we allow for future-proof scalability. We can shape a sustainable urban revival. Think about it, CAM access today, world access tomorrow. In terms of cross-platform downloads, you can download our app on Play Store, the App Store, as well as GitHub. Play Store and App Store is coming soon. Thank you for listening.